In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checkbox in Excel. We will use a built-in Excel tool called a form control checkbox, which works well in many versions of Excel. If you do not see an insert option with a checkbox in your ribbon yet, you first need to enable the Developer tab. On Windows, move to the top left and click File, then choose Options at the bottom of the left side panel. When the Excel Options window opens, look to the list on the left and click Customize Ribbon. On the right side, you will see a long list of main tabs, including Home, Insert, and others. Find Developer in that list and click the small box next to it to turn it on. Then click OK at the bottom. The Options window closes and the Excel ribbon refreshes, and you should now see a Developer tab across the top. On a Mac, the path is slightly different, but the idea is the same. From the very top menu bar, click Excel, then choose Preferences. In the Preferences window, look for Ribbon and Toolbar and click it. A new panel opens that shows which tabs are visible in your ribbon. In the list of main tabs, find Developer and enable it by checking its box, then close the Preferences window. When you return to your workbook, the Developer tab now appears in the Excel ribbon on your Mac as well. With the Developer tab ready, you can now insert the actual checkbox. Click the Developer tab to bring it to the front. You will see several groups such as Code, Add-ins, and Controls. In the Controls group, click Insert. A small menu appears, usually with Form Controls at the top and ActiveX Controls below. Under Form Controls, click the one labeled Checkbox. The mouse pointer changes to a small plus sign, which is your cue that Excel is waiting for you to place the checkbox. Now click once on the worksheet where you want the checkbox to appear. That click drops a new checkbox onto your sheet, usually with default text such as Checkbox 1 next to it. You can immediately click inside the text to rename it to something clearer, like Done or Completed, or you can leave the text and only use the box. At this point, you can also copy and paste the checkbox to repeat it for a list of tasks, and each pasted box will behave independently. After that, you can optionally link the checkbox to a cell or fine-tune its settings. Right-click directly on the checkbox border, not the text, and choose Format Control from the menu. A Format Control window opens with several tabs, including Control. On the Control tab, you can set a linked cell, for example B2, so that the cell shows true when the box is checked and false when it is cleared. This link updates instantly when you click the checkbox, so you can use that cell in formulas, such as counting how many items are checked. You can also adjust options such as the default value or how the checkbox behaves when the sheet is protected, then click OK to apply your changes. You have now turned on the Developer tab, inserted a Form Control checkbox, and optionally linked it to a cell for tracking. If this helped you build checklists in Excel, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick Excel guides.